there, I'm Amir, co-founder and CEO of Aggregate Intellect. Today I wanted to tell you about this very exciting project that we have kicked off and wanted to give you an update about where we are. This project is a collaboration with a large number of AI practitioners and researchers globally, around 700 people, well, 750 now that we joined.
I am one of the co-organizers of the Big Science project and area chair for the data section. As you may know, the goal of the Big Science project is to gather a very large multilingual dataset and train a large language model on this dataset, and to make both of them as broadly available as possible to the research community. One of the questions that raises is how we handle private information that may come up in the dataset to make sure that it is not unnecessarily made available to the public in breach of individuals' privacy. And in order to achieve that, we were very happy to be able to collaborate with ACE to have this event to increase the state of the art on PII detection so that we can pre-process our corpus and minimize those risks. I was very impressed by the amount of annotation and the amount of participation in Module 1, and very much looking forward to seeing what happens in Module 2.
So far, we have done the first module, which has been mostly data preparation for the future modules, and we are about to start Module 2.
I'm co-chair of the Data Governance Group for Big Science, and I was involved in setting up the Module 1 with Suhas and team. And I also tagged a lot of English sentences. And I'm also one of the people working on Module 2 as well. So I'm very proud of us and how much we've accomplished in creating so many tags for so many languages, and look forward to creating even better tools to help with PII detection. So in Module 2, we're going to do some really cool stuff for regular expression detections, to recognize things like name, address, phone numbers, and so forth.
The way we have set this up is that we have mobilized our community to participate in this project. In Module 1, Suhas Pai is the main lead, but there are more than 10 other people who are familiar with natural language processing, but have first languages that are other than English, who are leading teams who are working on those languages to prepare data for the next stages of this project.
I've been helping organize the logistics for Module 1, working with each of the language leads to get all the resources that they need onto the Lighttag annotation tool, including the dataset, the named entity pre-annotations, and getting their annotator teams on board. While there are a few hiccups, I've been amazed by how so many people have managed to organize themselves to contribute to this project, particularly the language leads, but there have also been so many people playing even a small role, which has made a world of difference.
I'm very excited to see how Module 2 turns out. Given what I've seen so far, it's going to be a lot of fun. And you can join us as well. All you need is a lot of enthusiasm for AI and specifically natural language processing, and want to get your hands dirty with a very, very impactful project that will contribute to the AI ecosystem, and everybody will use it eventually once it is released.
I'm the language lead for PII detection in Mandarin. For Module 1, we encountered quite some unexpected challenges along the way, and what surprised me the most was how nuanced annotations could be. That being said, everyone went above and beyond expectations, and we got 3,200 annotations in and counting. For Module 2, we will be writing regex. Regex in Chinese in Mandarin is unique with many implications, and we will be covering as many localizations as possible. This will make it a very challenging module, but that's what makes it fun.
I've been leading the Farsi team in the PII detection project with ACE community. What has been amazing for me to watch was how everyone in my team consistently contributed to different tasks that came up throughout Module 1. From developing a code to convert dataset format to discussing our annotation guidelines and deciding how to move forward. What excites me most about Module 2 is to first see how much of these structured PII we might be able to find in our current datasets and how much we might need to add. And as we work with other teams that work on other languages, I'm very curious to see what are the changes that we might need to make to regular expressions to account for structural differences across languages.
I'm very excited to see you join our community and this effort along with this large global collaboration to train the largest language model. That's not an easy task, but with help of everybody like yourself, we will be able to do this. So I'm very excited to see you in our events and join this project.
So check out the video description for information about how you can join this project. I'm really looking forward to seeing you join us for this project.